double-edged sword. This word has a meaning hail and also means full and packed. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have dolu. Dolu. Dolu is, like I said, full, hail, and packed. How? Let's see. Full glass, heavy hail, packed bus. Let's see the translation of those phrases. Dolu stəkan. Stəkan is a loan word from Russian. The word is in Russian stəkan. We use it as stəkan. Dolu stəkan, full glass. Güclü dolu, heavy hail. Güclü actually means strong. In this case, the right way of using is heavy hail. Packed bus, dolu avtobus. Avtobus is another loan word, comes from Russian, means bus. When it's packed with people, you say packed bus, dolu avtobus. Now let's use some of these in sentences. Bakıda, yayda, gecə saatlarınadək küçələr insanlarla dolu olur. This is very true. You can come to Baku and explore it yourself, but let's see the translation. In Baku, the streets are filled with people until late at night during the summer. Bakıda, in Baku. Yayda, in summer during summer. Gecə, night. Saatlarınadək, that is until late at night. Saat is hour clock. Küçələr, the streets. İnsanlarla, insan, human, insanlar, people, insanlarla, with people. Dolu olur, are filled. Bakıda yayda, gecə saatlarınadək küçələr insanlarla dolu olur. Let's use another sentence. Maybe simpler one. Bugün dolu yağır. It's hailing today. Bugün is today. Dolu yağır, it is hailing. Yağmak, this word, the action word, means to pour. You can use it for the rain as well. But here, dolu yağır, it is hailing today. That was my way of using dolu in Azerbaijani phrases and sentences. I have another one. My inbox is dolu, but I'm going to get through it. All right? That was today's word dolu. Tomorrow I have another word, the empire's favorite word. Come back tomorrow to see what it is. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. Cheers.